Morning everyone. Here are the question answers of the poem The Shed. So let's get started. Question 1. Who is the speaker in the poem? Answer. The poet is the speaker in the poem. The speaker is the poet Frank Flynn himself when he was a small boy. Question 2. Is she, he, afraid or curious or both? Answer. The speaker seems to be both curious as well as afraid. Curious means eager to know. The speaker was eager to know what was there inside the shed. At the same time, he was afraid also. He wants to find out what is inside the shed. At the same time, he is afraid because he thinks that there is possibly a ghost. He is afraid as he feels that someone is staring at him. Question 3. What is she or he planning to do soon? He plans to go inside the shed one day soon. He is planning to open the door and enter the shed someday soon. Question 4. But not just yet. Suggest doubt, fear, hesitation, laziness or something else. What does this suggest? What is the meaning of what but not just yet? Answer is, this suggests hesitation of the poet. The poet was hesitated to go inside the shed. Though he was confident that there was no ghost, but still he was hesitated and thought that soon he will go inside the shed, but not now. This shows that the speaker wants to take some more time to be sure about the shed. He currently fears that someone stares at him, and at the same time he also thinks that his brother is telling lies, that there is a ghost. So he is hesitating to take further step. Question 5. Name the poem and the poet. What is the name of the poem? The poem is The Shed and the poet's name is Frank Flynn. Question 6. What does the word creak mean? The word creak means make a harsh, sharp sound. A thing creaks when being moved or when pressure is applied. For example, creaking doors, creaking wheels, like this. Question 7. What makes the poet decide to go inside the shed one day? Why the poet decided to go inside the shed one day? Though not yet, but one day he will definitely go inside the shed. Answer. The poet decided to go inside the shed one day as he knew his brother told him lies about the shed. He understood very well that his brother wanted to keep the shed as his den. Den means private room. And he was lying that there was a ghost. Still, he himself was also very curious to know what was inside the shed. Moreover, that is all for today. Thank you.